Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate WhatsApp channel with Zoho Desk. This integration is incredibly useful as it allows you to manage all your WhatsApp customer conversations directly from your Zoho Desk dashboard, streamlining your support workflow and ensuring no customer message goes unanswered. To get started, head over to Zoho Desk and log in to your Zoho account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Zoho Desk dashboard. From here, you need to locate the settings icon, which looks like a gear. You'll find this icon in the top navigation menu. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to all the configuration options that Zoho Desk offers, and it's where we'll set up the WhatsApp integration. After clicking on Settings, look for the Integrations section within the menu that appears. Once you spot it, click on it. This action will redirect you to the Zoho Desk Marketplace, which is essentially a hub where you can find and install various third-party apps and integrations to enhance your Zoho Desk experience. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this marketplace, as it's packed with useful tools. Now that you're in the marketplace, locate the search bar at the top of the page. In this search bar, type in WhatsApp. This will filter the available integrations to show you options related to WhatsApp. From the search results that appear, look specifically for an integration called WhatsApp for Zoho Desk. This is the official integration we need. Once you find it, click on it to proceed to the next step. You'll now be directed to the WhatsApp for Zoho Desk overview page. This page contains important information about the integration, so it's worth taking a moment to read through it. You'll see details about the app's functions and features, which explain exactly how the integration works and what capabilities it brings to your support system. Additionally, check the compatible versions to ensure it works with your current Zoho Desk setup, and review the key features to understand what you'll be able to do once the integration is active. Once you've reviewed everything and feel ready to proceed, simply click on the Activate button. You'll find this button in the top right part of the page. Clicking it will initiate the integration process. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter and link your WhatsApp account. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your WhatsApp business account to your Zoho Desk account. This linking process is crucial as it establishes the connection between both platforms, allowing messages to flow seamlessly, and that's it. You've successfully integrated WhatsApp with Zoho Desk, enabling you to manage customer conversations more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.